Welcome back. This is Samm. Today we're going to be looking at how to pass JAMB, how to score high in JAMB in 5 days using Fulcrumity. Now, Fulcrumity is a mobile app that helps you to prepare very well, efficiently for JAMB. And with Fulcrumity, you can do very well in the exam with 5 days preparation. So that's what I want to show you today. Ready to pass JAMB? Let's go. Now, to use Fulcrumity in preparing for this exam in just 5 days, I'm passing very well. The first thing to do, go to App Store or Play Store to download the app. So if you use an Android device, go to Google Play Store. If you use an iPhone like me, you go to Apple App Store. Search for Fulcrumity, Fulcrumity. So you'll see the purple icon. Just download the app. And when you download the app, do the normal setting. Just answer the few questions you'll be asked and then you're good to go. Now, once you have the app installed, just go to Me. So you click on Me on the app. Let me open the app. So click on Me. That Me is a button on the bottom right corner. So click on Me. When you click on Me, you would see progress bar, how many questions you've covered, and a lot of things there. But let's focus on, you remember, I want to cover a lot of questions so that we'll do well in our exam. So if you click on questions practiced, if you are doing this when you just download the app, you see question practiced 0. But if you practice a few questions before coming there, you see how many questions you've practiced. Now if you open that, you see all the 4 subjects. So I can see my English, chemistry, physics, and mathematics. Now the good thing about this app is that, let me go to English. If you click on English, you will see all the topics in English and how many questions JAMB has set in all the 46 years of JAMB. So for example, I can see antonyms. JAMB has set 465 questions in all the 46 years. I can see clause pattern. They've set 96 questions. I can see a lot of topics here. Let me scroll down. Concord, 109 questions. Now with this, you can see where the high yield questions are coming from. The topics that have this high yield, where they set many questions from. Now let me go to chemistry. Acid, bases, and salts. They've set 130 questions in just 46 years. That means almost every year they set a question at least on acid, base, and salt. In fact, they set at least 2 questions if you want to look at it that way. So you can see alkanoic acid and alkanoids. They've set 76 questions. And now the good thing is that as you are practicing, we'll go back to practice soon, but let me finish explaining this. As you are practicing answering the questions, it's keeping track. So it can tell you under, let's say, carbohydrates, you have answered only 5 questions out of the 50. So you are seeing the total number of questions that JAMB has set in all the 46 years. So this one will help you to keep track of what you are doing, and then you know where to focus. So let me go to physics. Under physics, you can see AC circuits. They've set 46 questions in the 46 years. That's an average of 1 question every year. So this is telling you that they set 1 question every year on AC circuits. You can see capacitors, 41 questions. You can see change of states, only 8 questions. So it just works like that. So with this, you know where to focus on. That's the areas where the questions are more. You get it? Now, now that you know this, you can go back to practice. So that's at the top, sorry, bottom left. I like saying top because we belong to the top, you understand? So if you go to the bottom left, you see practice. Now, under practice, you will see mixed, where you can practice all your 4 subjects. And then you can see your 4 subjects: English, chemistry, math, and physics. So let's say I want to practice mathematics. Now, I would see different topics. I'll just be answering. As you scroll, you see a question, you answer. And the good thing is that if you choose an answer, it will tell you whether you are right or wrong. Now, whether you are right or wrong, you might choose to check the explanation. So if you swipe left, you'll see the complete explanation. You will see how many seconds or minutes you spent answering that question. You will see which year in the past question that particular question came from. Now, imagine that you have your traditional past question booklet and then you are practicing. You answer a question, you turn to the back to check the answer, then you come back. This one, you don't have to waste time. Remember, you have just 5 days to go. So once you choose an answer from the 4 options, it will tell you whether you're right or wrong, and then you can see the complete explanation. Now, with this explanation, you have learned something. You get, so you are reading and answering past questions. And the good thing about past questions is that, sorry, if you were in the exam that year, that is a question that can be given to you. So if you can answer that one and you can answer plenty past questions correctly, it means that you will do well in your exam. So that's the magic of past questions. Now, let's say you have answered a lot of questions. If you look on this same page, you will see 4 buttons. One is go live, one is calculator, one is share, and one is settings. So let me click on settings. Now with these settings, now that you know that the app has broken those topics, those subjects into topics, you can say, in math now, I know they bring a lot of questions and indices. Let me practice just indices. So if you click on the settings that shows on that practice page, you scroll down to the mathematics. Sorry, I'm using mathematics. It applies to all subjects. So I'm going to mathematics now. You can see select year. Let's say you want to practice a particular year past question. You can select the year. But now I want to practice by topic. So select topic. So let me choose indices. Let me scroll down. The topics are arranged in alphabetical order here. So laws of indices, good. Now then I'll click on apply. So now all the questions I want to practice now are coming from indices. So I can answer all the indices questions in entire past questions just with this act. So this first one, you choose your answer. If you're correct, it tells you. If you are wrong, don't forget, don't just get it wrong and scroll to the next. Swipe to the left, check why you're wrong. Because remember, you are using one stone to kill 2 birds. You are studying and meeting up with your past questions. So I think with this, any smart student, and I know you're smart, any smart student will do well in the exam. So imagine that, okay, remember we said you can have a target of answering at least 100 questions on each subject every day. So if that's your aim, if you pick math, you keep swiping, answer the 100 questions. You go to chemistry, answer 100 questions. Remember, by answering the 100 questions, you've read on all the topics you answered questions on. Don't forget, because like I said, don't fill a question and swipe to the next. Swipe to the left, check the explanation, come back and continue. And one good thing about this app is that as you are swiping, answering questions, you just get to a point, it will stop and grade you on all that you have answered. Then you continue again. So the experience is very interesting, like sweet experience. Okay. So I think with this, any student that really wants to do it in the exam can meet up with this 5 days study plan. Now let's look at how to activate the Fulcrumity app. Now bear in mind that the app is free by default. When you download it, you can start using it, enjoy all these features I've explained for free. But now if you want full access, you want unlimited practice, you don't want to practice and get stopped, you might need to activate it. Now, how do you activate this app? The first thing you do is that you click on login. So you see login button in the settings page. But away from that, as you are scrolling on the free usage, you'll get to a point where it will tell you that you are not a member. It will tell you are smart, but you are not a member. So for you to be a member, you have to log in or sign up. Now, because you have not signed up before, you click on sign up. Now, once you click on the sign up, it will ask you for email and WhatsApp number. Take note, WhatsApp number. So if you fill in your name, email, and WhatsApp number and submit, it will send you a verification code to your WhatsApp number. So just go to your WhatsApp, get the verification code, come back to the app, put it there, and then you are signed up. As you are signing up, you have access to your payment code. Now, it's that payment code you will use to pay for the app. When I say payment code, I meant a link where you guys can click and go pay for your app activation. So once you click on that link is also on your WhatsApp, so you don't have to go far. Just click on the link. You'll see the amount. Very cheap. You just pay for it, and once you pay, the app is activated automatically. Then you won't see you are not a member anymore. You can practice and enjoy the app, and I can guarantee you that in 5 days you're prepared to score very well in UTME 2026. Let's say you do not have money to pay for the app. There's still hope, because the app has one feature called no money, no problem. Now, how does this feature work? That WhatsApp message you got when activating the app, there will be another message that has a link that you can share to people, and those people can pay for you. So let's say you share the link to 10 people. One of them can just pay for you. And now let's say one says, oh, I don't have all the money. I only have 1,000 to pay for you. And there's another link there. Within that link, there's another payment plan that allows them to pay in installments. So someone can click on that link, pay 2,000 for you, one pay 1,000 for you, one pay 3,000 for you. The money is complete. So money should not be the problem. So just go download the app now, click on sign up. Once you're trying to sign up, it's going to send you a verification code alongside this pay for me link and the verification code. So activate the app, share that link to your contact. I believe you have the contact. So now when you want to share that link to people, don't just forward the message the way it came to you from WhatsApp. That will not be a good one. Do some greeting, make them feel good, and then when they're happy, you forward the link. I know you're interested in my success. In fact, the message has been customized for you, telling them about your success, but you need to do your own part too. So greet them well, talk to them before you send them, and edit it. Put their name in the message. Dear Auntie Chioma, dear Brother John, dear Uncle Peter. Put their name so they'll feel, wow, I can make an impact. And with that, you're fine. So with this app, you can do a 5-day crash course to prepare for UTME 2026 and pass. Not just pass very well. So